Today we're going to be talking about how to format your signature block for your CCO account. This is based off CAN4Gen 171/15 that came out a few years ago. So with the CAN4Gen as the reference, we can look into what the Treasury Board of Canada requirements are for formatting our signature blocks. A couple of points is that it must appear in both official languages and include a separate section for each language. Here we're going to have a quick overview of how to format the signature block. The first thing that we need to recognize is that the signature block needs to be attached to every email that goes out. So this includes any new correspondence, any replies, or any forwards that we send. So the first line is our rank and name and any post nominals. And then we're going to have a space. And then the first section is going to be our language of preference, either English or French, going through the position, Corps Squadron name. Canadian Armed Forces is standard for all members in the CAF, so there's no D&D or Government of Canada, and then our email address and telephone number. Requirements for our signature block include only officially recognized post-nominal letters may be used, and that's going to be on the top line next to your name. And then we need to make sure that we're using a font such as the ones identified in the paragraph. 10 points for the text size, and then all text needs to be black. So when you're formatting it, make sure that you're selecting black text. Otherwise, on replies and forwards, the email in Outlook will change color. White background, we're not allowed to modify it in any way, and it must be applied once again to all outgoing emails. Here are some common positions that we'll use in the corps and squadrons. You can pause the video here to take a look and make sure that you get the information you need. And then the name of our corps and squadron. So here's just the standardized English and French. And once again, you can pause here to take a quick look. Moving over to Outlook now to set up your signature block on a CCO computer. The easiest way I find to set up the signature block is to go to New Email. And then from there, you're going to go into the Signature tab. As we move into the Signature tab, you're going to click on New. And then you're going to label your signature block however you like. And then you're going to click OK. From here, you're going to type in your signature block as per the formatting guidelines. And then you're going to select that text, and then we're going to apply some formatting. So text is selected. We're going to change the font type, the size of the font, and the color. You want to apply to new messages, and you want to apply to all replies and forwards. And then from here, we're going to click Save and OK. So you'll notice that the signature block only saves on the laptop that you set it up on. So personally, what I do is that I create a draft email with the signature block formatted in that draft email for an easy copy and paste to any outgoing emails when I log into the remote desktop. So go into the draft emails, and then you can see that I have the signature block saved there in my Outlook. So hopefully that gives you enough information to quickly format your signature block, have it accessible to you on the CCO laptop, and then using the draft kind of trick to be able to attach your signature block to any outgoing email when you sign into the remote desktop. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.